He's an international speaker, presentation coach and author.
Would you please welcome,
Ladies and gentlemen,
please welcome Mr. Lee Jackson.
hi, my name is Lee Jackson. I'm a motivational speaker and I've been inspiring audiences for over 25 years. I help people to get good.
I basically help people to try and understand the stuff that works in the workplace.
In the distracted world that we live in, successful people understand that you have to focus on the right thing at the right time. Let me let you into a little secret. Motivational speakers, we only talk about three main things, to be honest. We talk about why do we do stuff. We talk about the how do we do stuff, what skills do we need, and then we talk about persistence or resilience, and that is, as I call it, the keeping on going. And so today I'm going to help you to get good at work by using these three things. If you're looking for a funny, inspiring and engaging talk, then my presentation, Get Good at Work, could be just what you need for your staff away day or conference. And he says he only came here for 6 months and he's still here 4.5 years later. I didn't know whether HR knew that or not, but that's obviously something that went on there. Aim for progress, not perfection. If we can get over the fear of failure, if we can become more resilient as people in the workplace and as people in our daily lives, it makes a massive difference. Because it means we'll take a few more risks. It means we have a little bit more fun. It means that we will become stronger and more effective in the workplace. No random theories, no wacky ideas. It's just solid research, all crafted and wrapped up in a package that encourages and challenges my audiences. Charles Swindoll got it right, and he says life is actually 10% of what happens to us and 90% of how we react to it. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you. If you'd like to chat more about me coming to your conference or staff away day, then the details are on the screen now.